Hey everyone, today we are excited to present the highly anticipated 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT, a powerful machine that blends modern performance with the iconic muscle car heritage. Let's take a closer look at its design and features. As we start with the front view, you'll immediately notice the bold and aggressive look of the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT. The front grille, adorned with the signature Dodge logo, is wide and menacing, highlighting the car's performance capabilities. The sharp headlights feature LED lighting, giving it an unmistakable presence on the road. The front bumper is designed for both aerodynamics and aesthetics, with large intakes that emphasize the car's muscle car pedigree. Its wide stance makes it clear that this is a car built for speed and power. Now, let's move to the backside. From this angle, the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT continues to impress. The rear of the car is defined by a wide, muscular rear end, with a distinctive rear spoiler that enhances aerodynamics and adds to the aggressive look. The sleek tail lights are designed in a retro-inspired style, with a modern twist, making them instantly recognizable. The quad exhaust outlets sit proudly at the back, signaling the raw power that lies beneath the hood. This rear profile is all about performance and style, combining function and form effortlessly. Stepping inside, the interior view of the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, offering a sporty yet comfortable environment. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, with the option of leather or suede finishes, offering maximum comfort and support for both daily drives and high-speed performance. The dashboard features a modern layout, with an intuitive infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, offering easy access to navigation, media, and performance settings. The steering wheel is designed for precise control, with paddle shifters that give you the ability to shift gears quickly and smoothly. The overall atmosphere is one of performance-focused luxury, with every detail designed for maximum driver enjoyment. Looking at the right view, you can appreciate the sculpted lines and curves that define the 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT. The muscle car's design is all about athleticism, with the body flowing smoothly from front to back. The pronounced wheel arches give the car a wider stance, further emphasizing its aggressive look. The chrome accents and blacked-out details add to its sharp, bold aesthetic. From this angle, it's clear that the Challenger SRT is not just a car, but a statement on wheels, combining timeless muscle car elements with cutting-edge design. Finally, we take a look at the lift view. From this perspective, you get a sense of the Challenger SRT's powerful and robust stance. The car sits low to the ground, providing enhanced stability and handling. The wide tires are perfectly complemented by the suspension, ensuring that the Challenger SRT can handle any road with ease. The undercarriage is designed for optimal performance, with features that reduce drag and improve overall efficiency. The aggressive styling is balanced with thoughtful engineering, making this a car that delivers both in performance and style. The 2025 Dodge Challenger SRT is more than just a car. It's a piece of American muscle car history, reimagined for the modern era. With its powerful engine options, striking design, and performance-driven interior, it's a car built for those who demand both power and style. Stay tuned for more updates on this incredible vehicle, only here on New Car Latest Update.